Crown Point is a city popular for its active projects and close-knit community, and it deserves a waste management partner that understands its unique needs. And if you are in search of a hassle-free and dependable dumpster rental in Crown Point, Indiana, look no further than Titus & Sons Mini Dumpster Service. At Titus & Sons Mini Dumpster Service, we take pride in being your go-to solution for all your dumpster rental needs. Whether it's a small home cleanout or a substantial construction project, we offer a wide range of dumpster sizes to cater to your specific requirements. We believe in making your projects run smoothly, which is why we provide timely delivery and efficient pickup services. Our experienced and dedicated team ensures a hassle-free experience from start to finish. At Titus & Sons Mini Dumpster Service, we are committed to being your trusted partner for dumpster rentals in Crown Point, Indiana. We aim to make your projects hassle-free and enhance your overall experience, and are fueled by your satisfaction and inspired by your projects. Our main objective is to make waste management in Crown Point, Indiana, a dependable and seamless process. So, are you ready to bid farewell to your waste management concerns? Contact Titus & Sons Mini Dumpster Service today at 219-488-4191 or visit our website at www.nidumpsters.com to book your dumpster rental and experience the convenience and reliability you deserve. Thank you for selecting Titus & Sons Mini Dumpster Service as your waste management partner.